Okay, what's going on, boys? Brand new video. We have the CEUK reverse lights. They're meant to be like, I think they're twice the size, but 5 times as bright as their previous product. Previous one was already like a lot brighter than stock, but this is 5 times. So I've already got their standard upgrade setting. I haven't got standard reverse lights, but we have an ST here that has standard reverse lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave one of the upgraded CEUK ones in the right hand side one. In the left hand side one, I'm going to put the new upgrade one, so you'll get a comparison to see what the new ones look like to their previous, and then what the new ones look like to the stock reverse lights. So with reverse lights, like they just look really yellowy and like a halogen sort of bulb, and does look pretty crap, like for standard. But with these, like even with them ones, I've reversed up a road. Like, do you know when you go down a road and it's complete darkness, no street lights? Go in reverse and sort of like lights up the road behind you, so you're not going to curb your wheels in the mirrors. So these ones should make it even better for that. So there's only one way to find out, and that's to fit it. And the only tool you will need for this is get out your pocket, your T25 bit, and you can literally take the rear lights out, and then there's like I don't know what it's called. There's a plastic bit you've got to spin inside there, which I'll show you how to do, but that's easy as anything. So let's crack straight on. Okay, so when it comes to actually like locating where the plastic bit is behind the rear light, I would show you mine, but as mine's gutted, you can't really see it. So if I show you on a completely like stock rear boot, it's easier to. So as you see, you've got this seal that goes all the way around it, and you just put that there and pull the carpet, and you can put it down at an angle. It won't harm anything. It just untucks it. See, like that, and you put your hand in and up, grab it onto the back of the rear light, and you'll feel what I've already got out here. I'll show you it. You'll feel this, so you'll feel this end of it, and you literally just spin it, obviously anti-clockwise to undo it. Don't worry, the rear light's not going to fall straight out. It will just hold in there because there's still 2 T25 Torx bits on there, but you just want to get this bit out first, because if you unscrew it and then do this, it could fall out and smash, which you obviously don't want. So if you do this bit first, you can't go wrong. Okay, so now we've got the T25 bits. So you've got one located at the top, one located at the bottom. I do know with older cars, the reverse side might not work on it, but with older ones, they are flathead for some reason. But most models you're going to find are all going to be these. So literally, it's not, I would explain how to undo this, but it is very self-explanatory. So we've got one out. Now we've just got to get the lower one out. Okay. Make sure you don't lose any of these bits. I just leave them in here while you're leaving your boot or whatever. And now, you literally want to hold onto the side of it with your left hand, and then obviously the opposite side when you do the other light, and put it, grab like that, and put it straight back, give it a bit of a wiggle, and it's out. Basically, all it's held into is these two little knobbly bits, if you can see it, here and here, and you can see on there where they are. And then you want to unclip this from the actual harness. So back there's a clip, just simple push down clip and pull away, and you're out. Now I'll show you how to locate which one's reverse bulb and if you need to change your brake light, stuff like that. Okay, so when it comes to rear light, just in case you can confuse yourself or you need to change anything, obviously that's going to be a brake light. With these LED ones, it is still the same. They've just got the LED brake light as well. So that's your brake light there, your reverse is there, and then obviously indicators there. So when you flip it, you know that's in that corner there, so it's straight here. So it's the smallest literal part on here, and then just spin it, and it's out. And there's your standard LED. So this is the size of this one. I've got the new ones in here. So yeah, look at that, is very much a size difference. That it's not hard to see the difference in that. That is humongous. Alright, so now I'll show you how to fit this. Okay, so when it comes to actually installing it, obviously just open the packet, it's not hard. It comes with like the CEUK like fancy packaging, and it says like if you get into any trouble, get stuck, you've got like their Facebook page to sort of help you out, which is always quite handy. So simply get the connection. You can see what way it goes in the metal clip inside, and push straight down into that. Now that should be good. I'll just plug it in, straight back in, and then twist it. Always twist obviously clockwise to tighten it up, anti-clockwise to undo it. Now obviously you would usually just plug it in set it up, and then the only way to really test your reverse lights, checking it's working, is if you was to reverse up to something to get the mirror image of it. But as I have people here with me, they can check it for me. It's just a lot easier, just because sometimes you might have fitted it wrong, it might not be in. So yeah, we're gonna check it first before we drive away. Okay, so if you've got the plug here, you've got where it's going into there. Simply plug it back in, you're only going one way. It's pretty self-explanatory of what way it's gonna go in and what way it's not. There we go, straight in. I'll just rest it in the holes for a second. Push that in. So you can see it's obviously got power going to it because the lights are on. Brian, just put it in reverse, please. Oh my God.
I have seen the light!
That's lit. That's the definition of lit. That's lighter than these LED things up here. Wherever they are. Oh my God. Alright, so that should hold in there for a second. Let's just look. So that one, compared to that one, they are still LEDs obviously, but that one hurts my eyes to make contact directly with it. So I'll bolt this all back in quick, and then I'll show you the difference, and then we'll show you what it looks like compared to a stock one. Okay, so as you can see, got both the STs there. I have lost the cameraman now because I'm going to have to film both this bit because we've done enough people. So let's see what the reverse lights actually look like compared to each other. Okay, so that's obviously your stock, very yellowy. That's the new one, that's the old one. You can tell on the camera the difference in brightness, like that is insane. That is so much better, it looks so much better. Like, it's even just compared to stock, if you wasn't upgrading, if you was just stock and you thought of getting these, look, the difference is ridiculous. It looks so much cleaner. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put the other one in now. I was gonna have a bit of an odd LED one, but yeah, I'll give you a summary in a second. Let me just put the LEDs all in. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up for the video now, boys. As you saw, it's a really quick, easy install. I'd say like it's the level 1 of basics to modification to like your Fiesta you can do. It looks really clean. It's got clean LED looks. No one likes some like halogen yellow bulbs that just look garbage. As you've seen, I've done like the HID kits, LED kits for my car. Link them all down below, the like, previous installs I've done for lighting wires in the car. But yeah, hopefully you think it looks as good as I do. So yeah, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you all for watching. Comment what you thought of the lights down below. I'll leave a link to where you can actually purchase these from CEUK. They do a range of lighting, performance, any sort of product you can think to buy for your Fiesta or any other sort of car. They do something for it, even wheels and stuff like that. So make sure you check that out and smash the code B70NY to get yourself 10% off of all their products. Definitely worth it. It's basically like getting free shipping. And half the time they send you Haribos with your product anyway, so that's good. So thank you so much for watching. As I said, like, comment what you thought, hit the subscribe button. See you boys in the next one. Peace.